Here we presents the top 5 best drone. Starting of our listed number 5. Hubsan H107C Plus HD. Some good things come in small packages. Miniature drones don't have the flash, battery life or camera quality like the rest on this list, but they are a ton of fun to fly. If you just don't have the time, desire or cash to splurge on a more pricey model, the Hubsan H107C Plus HD is the drone for you. The addition of a 720p camera means you'll be able to capture the flight. But what truly grabbed our attention on the Hubsan were some of the additional features that aren't usually included at this price point. Altitude hold, for example, allows for a smooth and stable flight without any additional operator movement. Partnered with a 6-axis gyro for increased stability, the Hubsan once again proves that it can punch well above its weight class. For more information and price, check out the product links in description, underneath the video. Coming in at number 4 of our list, Sima X5C. If you've never flown a drone before, it's best to start small, start inexpensive and start with something great. The Sima X5C hits all 3 of these requirements. Praised by general technology and drone-specific sites alike, the Sima is a great way to introduce yourself to the drone world. There's nothing here that will knock your socks off, and the Sima is just a great introductory drone. The advertised range of about 50 meters is a limit we wouldn't recommend pushing until you are truly comfortable with the controls. The 2.4 GHz spread spectrum technology is designed to help avoid interference and allow for increased distance, but we'd stick close to home until you move beyond the new out-of-the-box phase. Thankfully, Sima packs 4 spare propellers and 4 spare blade guards with the X5C to help repair any damage from those almost guaranteed first-timer crashes. While the battery life might be short and its built-in camera less than stellar, its overall value makes the Sima X5C an easy recommendation for beginners. Halfway of our listed number 3, Typhoon HRTF Drone Bundle. Fly farther with this 6-rotor Quadcopter from Unique, a compact and nimble drone that can fly for up to 25 minutes on a single battery charge. The Typhoon H is ready to fly out of the box and is a high-end favorite of professional drone enthusiasts and first-time flyers. The drone has multiple advanced safety mechanisms to protect your investment, including ultrasonic collision prevention, retractable landing gear, and 5-rotor fail-safe insurance. Other innovative features include Orbit Me circular path, point of interest focus and curve cable cam. Number 2 of this list, Sima X5SC. While we often look to higher price ranges for the very best in quadcopter and drone technology, there's plenty of budget options we shouldn't ignore. The wallet-friendly Sima X5SC offers HD video and pictures, headless mode, a sturdy frame, 6 to 8 minutes of flight time and a 150-foot range of flight. Unfortunately, recharging the 500 mAh battery takes 2 hours, but you have to understand that there will be trade-offs at this price point. Although flight time can be short, additional batteries can be purchased for under. Even with some shortfalls at the entry-level price, the Sima X5SC is an outstanding value and a ton of fun, earning an easy recommendation as your budget option. And coming in at number 1 of our list, DJI Mavic Pro. DJI's Mavic Pro can be summed up in 3 words: portable and powerful. Capable of collapsing down to as small as a bottle of water, DJI Mavic Pro is a fantastic choice for quadcopter fans. A new OcuSync transmission system will offer up to 4.3 miles of range, 40 miles per hour speed and a flight time around 27 minutes, thanks to a powerful battery. The lengthy range away from the base controller is aided by GPS and satellite to help maintain precise location control. Setup is a snap-in. After connecting to the remote control, you can add a smartphone to act as a screen. The compact remote is as well designed as the Mavic Pro itself, with 2 joysticks controlling height, direction and motion. One scroll wheel on the back adjusts the camera gimbal and the other is open to programming. The camera records 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p at 96 fps, the latter of which can live stream to Facebook, YouTube, and Periscope at 30 fps. Additionally, you can capture stills with a 12-megapixel camera. For more information and price, check out the product links in description, underneath the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, share this video and hit the like button.